So this is Adama. So I want to share a little bit how I do with Paulownia here. I try to use the branch and put in the soil like this. You see them? This is Paulownia coming out. So then I will take them and put in the pot, the plastic over there. So this is I try to find my simple strategy. We have some here. Many of them is coming out. It's dry, but yeah, good. Yeah, this is Paulownia. They start to come out. Yes, Paulownia. So then after I can come and make it, take them and put in the plastic. Yeah, to have the baby plant. So yeah, this is my local grain. What do you call it? It's a local green farm. So we yeah, I have here papaya, baby papaya. So this is some cocoa. This is Paulownia and Paulownia over there. So yeah, I'm trying to make them. We have some cashew here. Yeah. Also with one of my friend, coffee, Arabica coffee. This is what I'm trying in this Arabica coffee. I want to see how it works in our country for the first time in Burkina. So yes. So yeah, this is my local green farm. Yeah. Local green farm. This is my what do you call it? Lemon tree. So start to give fruit. Yeah. Some updates of my farm. So come and see. Paulownia is doing great. It's doing great. Yeah. Paulownia is doing great. So yeah, some Paulownia here. This Paulownia. And some pure Paulownia. And then yeah, many places Paulownia. I have a couple of them, and some of them I don't know why they lose all the leaves. So maybe with the time I can have more teaching about it. But they have water, and I've found that they lose the leaves, but they start a new leaf. I don't know if it's normal. I'm trying to understand it. But yes, this is my garden. It's green everywhere, and somewhere it is very dry. Maybe a little surprise for you. Guinea hen. This is the Guinea hen. I like putting everything together, breeding and farming goes together, because I can use fertilizer from them and give it to the plant. So yes, this is some baby papaya, preparing them for the rainy season. So yeah, thank you Victor for updates. This is little updates. I didn't show you something. Come and see fish. Can you see the difference of this Paulownia and this one? I don't understand why they are so different. I don't know if it is the soil or if it is, I don't know the problem. I don't know the problem. And they get the same time of watering, but they look very different. This is very green, keeping the leaf, but this one not. I don't know, maybe with time I can understand more. Yeah. Same thing with this, you see? They start to bring a new leaf, but they lose everything. And some don't. I don't know why. Maybe I will learn more. This is a tank where we have fish. We have fish in this tank, and the fish, water from the fish can be used to water the plants. Is very rich. We have fertilizer on it, and I can use them to fertilize fertilize the so what we are doing here, see, like this, and this, maybe you know, and I'm sure that you know, those are green pea. So green pea, yes, tree of green pea. So yeah, trying to make good things with the trees. I really love trees. Tree is life, so I love them. This is my passion. So thank you, Victor. Just a little update of the garden that you can see. That's the corn. You know, this time you can check in Burkina. This is not a raining season, but we have corns. So at the same time we grow Paulownia. If we have water, at the same time you can grow other things like this, like pepper. See this? Those are pepper. Pepper. Yeah. So you can keep doing some things like this and grow other things at the same time. Your Paulownia can keep growing. Let's see some Paulownia here.